Hello, thank you for joining me for a new unboxing. Today we're going to have a closer look at the MS9390 HV, a network camera from VIVOTEK. I see a lot of cool features on this MS9390 HV. First of all, it has two lenses of 4 megapixels each, which can be stitched to one image of 8 megapixels. Secondly, it comes with 180-degree infrared illumination that can reach up to 20 meters. Let's not forget that this machine also has smart motion detection to reduce false alarms. And last but not least, it is IP66 and IK10 rated. To end this unboxing, let's have a look at the specs of the VIVOTEK MS9390 HV.